So what is the periodic table?
カバが逆立ちするとバカだ。61.
So do you know what the periodic table is?
Hey, don't they sell that table at Pottery Barn?
Isn't that song that Pete Doherty sang with Wolfman?
So do you know what the periodic table is?
Je ne sais pas. Fermez la bouche. No. Excuse me. Man, these kids are hopeless. I wish someone would tell me what the periodic table is.
The Leonard Christensen Babcock Craig Center for children who can't read good and want to do other stuff good too, like chemistry. I'm Erica.
And I'm Alex.
And
we're here to talk to you about the periodic table
of elements. The periodic table is a chart that organizes all known elements into horizontal rows called periods and vertical columns called groups, arranged by increasing atomic number.
The elements are split into different sublevels: the S block, the D block, the P block, and the F block.
Oh hi! This is a square from the periodic table of elements. This is oxygen, which has an atomic symbol of O.
Oxygen's atomic number is 8, meaning it has 8 protons and therefore 8 electrons.
Oxygen has an atomic mass of approximately 16 AMU. The atomic mass of an element is the weight of the protons plus the neutrons. We already know that oxygen has 8 protons, so if you subtract that from its atomic weight, which is 16, we find out that oxygen has 8 neutrons.
Hi, I'm a metal. I'm usually shiny when smooth and clean, solid at room temperature, and a good conductor of heat and electricity.
Hi, I'm a nonmetal. I'm generally a gas or a dull-looking solid, and I'm a poor conductor of heat and electricity.
Hi, I'm a metalloid. I have physical and chemical properties of both metals and nonmetals, so I play for both teams.
In 1864, English chemist John Newlands proposed an organization scheme for all the elements. Newlands organized the first 14 known elements as of the mid-1860s.
In 1869, German chemist Lothar Meyer and Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev each demonstrated a connection between atomic mass and elemental properties. Mendeleev first published the organization scheme and went out to prove his observations.
Moseley discovered that Mendeleev's table was not completely correct. His main contributions to science were the quantitative justification of the previously experimental concept of atomic number and Moseley's law. He sorted the elements in a more logical order. Let's learn more about our first group, the alkali metals.
Hey, rubidium.
Hey, how's it going? Check out my smooth, silvery texture. I have a +1 positive charge, and I'm highly reactive.
Are you thirsty?
Sure, why not?
Okay, so now we know that the alkali metals are very reactive.
But what about the alkaline earth metals?
Hey, I'm calcium. Us alkaline earth metals are shiny solids that are harder than those alkaline metals. We form compounds with oxygen called oxides with our 2 positive charge. But be careful, because I react too. Just slower.
So what should we know about the boron group?
What's up? I'm boron. and although my family is called the boron group, I share the fewest characteristics with my other brothers and sisters. But in general, we contain one metalloid and the rest metals, and can formulate with a 3+ charge or 1+ charge.
Hello, I'm carbon. I am one of the most important elements on the Earth. Most substances that control what happens in cells contain me, and therefore my group is the best.
So what about the nitrogen group?
Hi, I'm nitrogen, but I'd rather be the nuclear bomb element. My buddies and I have a wide variety of physical and chemical properties. I, for instance, can form some of the most explosive compounds known to man. But you would hail me with every breath you take.
Alright, let's talk to oxygen about the oxygen group.
I'm oxygen, but don't judge me, my family, by my name. Some of us are non-metals, and some of us are metals, but with 6 valence electrons. We act like non-metals.
So let's learn a little more about the halogens.
I represent the halogen group, but we're also called the salt formers because we have 7 valence electrons. We like our lady ions with the positive 1 charge.
But last but not least, the noble gases.
Hi, Neon here. Us noble gases are uber stable, therefore we make other gases very jealous. We rarely react because our electron configurations are so darn stable.
Thanks for watching!
We hope you learned a lot about the periodic table!
We're gonna be shipped off to China to teach the next group of people!
Thanks for tuning in to the Lee Meyer Christensen Babcock Crank Center for Children Who Can't Read Good and want to do other stuff good too, like chemistry!